Hello, folks. Affiliate marketing is a straightforward yet powerful business model that has revolutionized the way products and services are promoted online. At its core, affiliate marketing works as a partnership. Merchants provide affiliates with special links to promote their products. Affiliates use various channels to reach potential buyers. And when consumers purchase through those links, the affiliates earn a commission. Now, this win-win structure benefits all parties and makes affiliate marketing an appealing option for passive income. Hi, I'm Richard Fontany, and I'm pleased you have joined us today. And this week, we are exploring affiliate marketing with Warrior Plus, including key players, how commissions are earned, how to track them, and how to use this platform. Now, I'm focusing on Warrior Plus because I'm thoroughly familiar with this particular platform. I have an account with Warrior Plus. I use it regularly and have made many friends using this tool. So sit back and enjoy, and if you're driving, please take care out there. And by the way, an easy way to take notes of this podcast is to copy the transcript, which is provided below. Now let's get started. First things first. Who are the Warrior Plus actors? Well, they are affiliates, those marketers or influencers that promote products or services. On Warrior Plus, affiliates often focus on digital products such as online courses, ebooks, or software tools. And then there's the merchants, also known as the vendors. These are individuals or companies offering digital products. Warrior Plus provides vendors or creators with a robust platform to manage their affiliate programs and to track their performance. And then finally, there are the consumers. Now, these are the end users who purchase products or services through affiliate links. And their actions, for example, clicks or signups or purchases, drive the affiliate's earnings. Now let's talk about how commissions are earned on Warrior Plus. First, there's cost per sale. Affiliates on Warrior Plus primarily earn commissions based on cost per sale, or what is called CPS. When a purchase is made through their link, affiliates receive a percentage of the total sale amount. Warrior Plus makes it easy to track and manage these transactions. We'll talk a little bit about that in a little while. Secondly, there's upsells and funnels. Now, many Warrior Plus products are structured with upsells or sales funnels, which allow affiliates to earn additional commission on higher tier purchases. And there are tracking affiliate links. Now, Warrior Plus uses advanced tracking systems to ensure affiliates are credited for their referrals. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link, cookies are used to track their actions. Now, this tracking ensures affiliates get credit for purchases made within a specific time frame. For example, an affiliate receives an email from Warrior Plus every time a sale is made, and you can find out your total earnings by searching your specific account. Now, here are some quick examples of how YouTubers and email marketers let their tribe know about a specific product. Let's talk about a YouTube influencer. Now, a YouTube influencer could be specializing in digital marketing, creates a video or an online review, but since we're talking about YouTube influencer, it would be a video review assessing a product available on Warrior Plus. Now, by including their affiliate link in the video description, the influencer earns commission on every sale driven through their content. Now, as an example, I've included 3 links in the description below where I receive a commission if you decide to purchase from them. Now, when it comes to email marketers, an affiliate builds an email list of buyers and promotes Warrior Plus products tailored to their audience needs. By sharing affiliate links and email campaigns, they drive traffic and earn commissions from sales. So how do affiliates apply all this? Well, they have access to the Warrior Plus tools. For instance, you can leverage Warrior Plus. And how do they do that? Well, affiliates can leverage Warrior Plus dashboard to monitor their campaigns, analyze performance metrics, and identify high converting products. You can set up proper affiliate links. Now, Warrior Plus provides pre-generated affiliate links for all approved products. Affiliates should ensure that they're using these links correctly and test them to verify functionality before promoting them. And there is one more resource you need to be aware of, and that is Muncheye. Muncheye provides a list, actually it's called a calendar, of current and upcoming offerings through Warrior Plus. And then there's another platform called JVZoo. And Muncheye also promotes JVZoo products. But since this is a podcast only about Warrior Plus, I'll leave JVZoo for another time. And by the way, the link to Muncheye is found below. So what can we learn from all of this? Well, affiliate marketing with Warrior Plus is a streamlined process, making it accessible even for beginners. Anyone can participate in this ecosystem by understanding the roles of affiliates, merchants, and consumers. The platform's tools and resources offer significant potential for passive income and scalable growth, especially with its focus on digital products and advanced tracking capabilities. So are you ready to dive into the affiliate marketing with Warrior Plus? Well, if you are, start by exploring the platform, signing up as an affiliate, and browsing the marketplace or Muncheye for products that align with what your passion is all about. The journey to earning through affiliate marketing begins with taking that first step. So why not start today? If you want to learn more about Warrior Plus, let me know in the comments below, or alternatively, let me know using our Facebook handle, and that link is also below. Now, next Friday, we'll explore how affiliate marketers choose the right niche. What are some of the most popular niches? Provide some examples of niches. And always we talk about how to apply. And so we'll talk about the applications of all of that. Now, before I go, remember that we have another YouTube channel that covers 2 more podcasts. One on Mondays, called Speaking from the Heart, and on Wednesdays, called Coaching Talks. Now, I hope you can join us there as well. Now, if you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with others who you think might be interested in affiliate marketing, and let them know about our other YouTube channel, as they may be interested in them as well. Also, you may want to subscribe to this channel, so please do so. And thank you for doing so. Now, thank you for listening to this podcast today. I'm Richard Fontenay, signing off, and we'll see you next Monday, Wednesday, or next Friday. Bye for now.